Hey folks, I have not seen a video on unboxing the System 55 yet, so I figure I would quickly create one as I unbox this and let other people know what it's going to look like. First of all, this box is huge. It's like heavy. It's 41 pounds, and it's long and wide, and it is not an easy box to like get around. So keep that in mind in number one, and I will go ahead and open this. I got mine from Behringer Camera. We get a pretty good deal at my work on items from there, so that's where I chose to get it, though. I think that's the place most people are going to for it. So that's the outer box, and then the inner box is probably the one from Behringer. Let me show you for a sec here. It's pretty tight in there. I always have a challenge getting these boxes off when they're attached this way, but there's a little bit of a hole in here, so that makes it a little bit easier. Here's step one. So this box is also very heavy, obviously. That's interesting. I have quite a hole in it right here from shipping, but we'll see what happens. So here we go. Put this guy up. Here there is no protective tape on top of it, which is nice. It just slide out and open. My understanding is this was pre-assembled by Behringer, which it looks like that is the case. So we have brackets here, Eurorack Go brackets. So it's going to hold both sides of this up. And over here we have, looks like some equipment. We've got a power cord and a power brick. Obviously I'll need that. This other one is another cord and power brick. I did not realize they were both needed. I thought they would connect together, but that's fine with me. There's also a manual pack, quick start guide, has looks like it has information about all the modules, right, that are used in it. Wow, a lot of little modules here, and then there's a bigger one on the sequential controller, and then the whole System 55, and then also the Eurorack itself, the Go case. So, and then all of these must be the different modules. So because I got a bunch of them. Oh, and then a manual on this, which gives me the ability to use the computer, kind of bridge to USB, the synthesizer itself. So I'll get that inside that later on. Okay, so here's what the meat of this is. So it looks to me like I'll need to grab this whole thing out at once because I can't just pull this top piece off. So reach down. I'm going to reach down on these sides, pull it up, drop it there, and simply just pull it up, drop it here, move this out of the way. And I'm going to keep the box just in case. So here is, I guess this would be the bottom module because it has an open, the bottom Eurorack, because it has an open set of spaces. I don't know the proper terminology to use for Eurorack, but I think that's it. This is actually packaged really well, I believe, because it has center and support. It was pretty far away from the box where the hole got hit in it. Actually, this is also sealed inside of this package, which is nice. Okay. And this guy, same thing here. Put this down. This guy. And this one. Okay, so put all this stuff inside of here. Just in case if I have to move it ever again. Send it back. Which after the amount of time it took to actually get this, I really doubt a lot of people are sending this thing back. Because it appears to be in pretty high demand. So here's the last part, is connecting these two together. So let's open this up. Yeah, it looks like you have to actually cut it open. So they must have it moisture sealed, which is nice. Very nice that it is completely assembled. Alright. So this one actually looks like it has a little bit of a tape on it, so it might be ready to be opened. This one. So, oops. On this one, it does look like it wasn't completely sealed. No, it is. It's sealed in this bag. They just have it taped to itself so it'll fit better. It also has a silica packet in it. Okay. So, I will quickly show both of these before I attach them together. So, here's what we got going on. That is the lower rack as far as I can tell. And then the upper rack. The box has got an interesting look to it. On the back side, it looks like it's just the back of the Euro rack. And then on the front side, yeah, they show what it'll look like when it's completely built. And so it will be similar to the way this looks right now. That's a little weird. It seems like it pulls out a little easy like that. Maybe it's not meant to be grabbed that way. Right here. And up here, the build quality feels pretty good. I like the brushed metal, all the metal up here. Looks like there's an actual spot handle you can grab it at here, and the power for both is just right here. So I'll have to have two plugged in. So that's it. Well, let's go ahead and get this thing together.